All right, people, so I'm gonna try to speed run as much as I can because I just recorded a video and I don't realize, or I didn't really like how long it was. So yeah, Matthew, restoring 72 Mustang, that's what we're doing. Last video I showed you guys that I had a bunch of crap in my garage I needed to take care of. So I did that. This is what we have right now. I don't know how much you'll be able to see, but this is what we got. So I cleared off everything, power washed the whole thing, got rid of a bunch of stuff, which is great, or just, you know, put it in different places, reorganized. So the big things this week, I acquired the wheels that we'll be running, as well as 2 tires that are pretty much brand new. They don't look great, obviously, but I need to clean them up, and they really haven't been used, which is awesome. Got them for a great price as well. So I just got the wheel adapters shipped in today, so I will be cleaning the whole freaking goodness. Everything's rusted out, so I need to, and they were new apparently, allegedly. So I'll be cleaning the crap out of that, getting rid of a lot of rust in the brakes and everything related to that before I actually put them on. And then once I do get them on, I'll be rolling the car in here, and then we'll be able to kind of get some business going. Another thing that I'll be setting up, organize the crap out of this. That lovely table over there, it's got a Ford logo on it, which is kind of cool. But that's new. I just acquired that today. So that's gonna be helping me with, you know, some slight organization, just having a table, which is great. Probably get another 1 or 2. I got a vice grip over here, which is awesome. Acquired that for a pretty good price at Harbor Freight. That was on sale, so that was cool. And I'll be wiring in the air compressor, and I have the little manual and everything. So I got the wire, I got everything I need, so I just need to take care of that, clean up the thing, and then should be running, ready to go. Oh my goodness, what else? So I took off the carb. I didn't take a video of that, I should have, but I was too busy learning, so whatever. But I love how simple it is, so pretty cool. I just need to find out which specific one it is. My preliminary research tells me that it's the Autolite 2100 or something like that, something in that ballpark. I'm obviously relatively new to this. The stuff that I think I can take care of is, you know, basic maintenance stuff and maybe some random big jobs here and there, but I really haven't, you know, ever taken apart an engine truly, or, you know, transmission. But outside of that, I can pretty much take care of anything, I think. And that's me being relatively maybe cocky, but I guess just confident, because in the age of, you know, YouTube mechanics and stuff like that, like, I don't find it that impressive that, like, oh, this person is a mechanic and they learn blah blah, like the way I would be, because all my knowledge is basically from a video, which is so bizarre, because before, you know, we just taught each other. You had to sit in, listen, watch the whole thing, like the actual process. But you know, as long as it gets done right and you're being honorable about it, I think it's good. But for me personally, I don't find it that impressive that I can, you know, pick this stuff up quick and then, you know, get to it and whatever, because obviously there's a lot more experience that goes into that, and, you know, whatever. I'm on a big tangent. So going back to whatever I was talking about before, yeah, so, oh, the carb. So took her off, and then we're soaking in some evaporust right now, getting off some of the on the side. I already pretty much cleaned it out, so it'll be ready to go. I may need to get a rebuild kit, simply just because it's a little bit older, and I just would like to be sure. I don't need to send this into a vehicle that, you know, will break down in like 5 months. So I'll probably just redo everything that's rubber, clean everything metal that I can. I'll probably change out the majority of whatever tubes that there are. They gave me a rather simple list of stuff that they had changed out, the previous owners, but I'm kind of suspect on that, so I'm gonna pretty much have to go through everything, double check it. But at least the suspension feels all right. So interior wise, you guys will probably get a video of that soon, because that's probably what I'm going to be working on relatively soon. I don't know, there's just so freaking much to do. But anyway, so it's all not bad. It really isn't. It's fantastic. The back seat is pretty damn well maintained. It just needs to be cleaned, which is awesome. What else? The front 2 seats will definitely need to be changed out and just completely redone, which I will do myself. Hopefully, if I can get my hands on an upholstery, or I'm sorry, if I can get my hands on a sewing machine, that'd be awesome. But if not, don't really care. I would just poke out the whole damn thing myself and then sew it. But you know, that's pretty simple. Just doing a good job is exactly what I want to do. And I could be able to, you know, tell them, hey, it was professionally done, because yeah, you're professional if you get paid for it. Just kidding. I'll be able to do it myself. And you know, that adds to the price, the value. You know, if I'm hand sewn, that's kind of nuts. And that's a lot of trouble to go through. So I want to make this as awesome as possible and really make sure that this thing is, you know, something I could be proud of. So my goodness, it's definitely going to take me a lot longer than I probably thought it would, especially once I got it. I was like, oh shit, like, oh, pause, whoops. I'm gonna have to blur that out. But I was like, oh man, this is more, by the details, it's more than I thought it would be, but we'll be fine. I'm gonna do it right. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna run my soap business, which is great. I've gone all Fight Club, and you guys will never hear about it because I won't be selling it online. It's just gonna be by word of mouth. So if you can find me, you know who I am. I will send you stuff, obviously for a price, but it's gonna be, you know, all natural. But whatever, that doesn't matter. That's a huge tangent that doesn't need to be discussed. But anyway, so I'm essentially still in this process of acquiring a bunch of crap, and then other than that, we're doing well, I think. Yeah. So until then, we'll see what, you know, next thing I film. I kind of want to be, I suppose, good about this, but I'm not the most camera savvy person, or am I, like, you know, in this digital age, like, I'm out of the loop with this. So yeah, I'm just gonna film stuff, put it out, and if someone's like, oh, this is great, or they can, you know, take something from it, that's freaking awesome. But I'm not really gonna publicize it. I would be extremely embarrassed and surprised if this thing blew up, but or if any of the videos did. But you know, that's just name of the game, I suppose. But yeah, and that was a great first impression too, because I'm in my underwear, boxers, not really underwear, boxers, well, whatever. But I'm about to go to bed, so just wanted to put this out, or get this off my brain, so that way I can go to bed knowing that I gave an update, because for some reason I just have this in my brain where I just want to, what's the word, document this. All right, sayonara.